BMW has earned its ultimate driving machine reputation, but not every model lives up to it. Some become favorites, others costly mistakes. Over time, one truth stands out. The difference isn't performance or luxury, it's reliability, and specifically the engine. This is how BMW went from maintenance nightmares to some of its most dependable modern performance cars. The temptation and trap of early turbo BMWs. On paper, certain BMWs look irresistible. Take the late 2000s 3 Series Coupe equipped with the twin turbocharged N54 inline-6. It checks every enthusiast box: rear-wheel drive, manual transmission, strong factory horsepower, and legendary tuning potential. For many buyers, it represented the perfect blend of performance and practicality. In reality, it often delivered something else entirely: relentless repair bills. The N54 engine quickly developed a reputation that followed it for years. High-pressure fuel pump failures were common. Fuel injectors became a recurring expense. Valve cover gaskets leaked oil. Oil filter housing gaskets allowed oil and coolant to mix. Electric water pumps and thermostats failed unexpectedly and were buried deep in the engine bay, turning simple repairs into expensive, labor-heavy jobs. Then came the turbochargers themselves. Early units frequently developed wastegate rattle, producing unsettling noises under light throttle and requiring costly rebuilds or replacements to fix properly. Carbon buildup plagued direct injection engines, ignition coils failed regularly, and electrical issues appeared with frustrating unpredictability. Owning one of these early turbo BMWs often meant constantly monitoring warning lights, checking for leaks after parking, and budgeting for the next inevitable repair. The driving experience remained thrilling, but the ownership experience became exhausting. These weren't isolated cases. Across forums, owner groups, and independent repair shops, the same pattern emerged. Early turbo BMWs delivered performance, but they demanded patience, mechanical knowledge, and a very forgiving wallet. BMW's turning point. To BMW's credit, the company didn't ignore these problems. Instead, it treated them as a wake-up call. After years of criticism over reliability, BMW re-engineered its turbo strategy from the ground up. The result was the introduction of 2 engines that would redefine the brand's modern reputation: the B48 4-cylinder and the B58 inline-6. These engines weren't just revisions, they were corrections. BMW eliminated problematic electric water pumps in favor of simpler mechanical designs. Cooling systems were redesigned with improved heat management to reduce thermal stress on plastic components. Timing chains were strengthened. Fuel systems were upgraded to avoid injector failures. Gasket materials improved significantly, reducing oil leaks that once seemed inevitable. The goal was simple: keep the performance, eliminate the drama. The results spoke for themselves. Independent reliability surveys began ranking BMW higher than expected. Industry awards followed. Most telling of all, another manufacturer known globally for durability made a bold decision. Toyota adopted the B58 engine for its modern sports car lineup. That endorsement alone said everything. BMW's modern masterpiece, the B58 turbocharged inline-6, represents the best of BMW's engineering philosophy. Smooth power delivery, strong torque across the rev range, and remarkable durability define the engine's character. Depending on application, it produces roughly 320 to 382 horsepower while remaining understated and unstressed in everyday driving. Owners regularly report high mileage with minimal issues when basic maintenance is followed. Oil changes, cooling system upkeep, and standard service intervals are usually all that's required. Performance, however, hasn't been sacrificed. Vehicles equipped with the B58 accelerate quickly, respond sharply, and retain the balanced handling BMW is known for. It's a rare engine that satisfies both enthusiasts and long-term owners. And that combination is exactly why it has become BMW's modern benchmark: the ideal sports sedan. If there's one modern BMW that perfectly represents this reliability renaissance, it's the M340i. Powered by the B58 engine and paired with an exceptional 8-speed automatic transmission, The M340i delivers performance that rivals older full-blown M cars while remaining far more comfortable and dependable. Acceleration is aggressive, highway fuel economy is surprisingly strong, and the ride remains composed even during daily commuting. Unlike more extreme performance variants, the M340i avoids harsh suspension tuning and excessive complexity. It offers modern technology, safety systems, and refinement without sacrificing driving engagement. Rear-wheel drive purists are satisfied, while all-wheel drive buyers get confident year-round usability. For many enthusiasts, it represents the sweet spot, the BMW you can enjoy hard without fearing the next repair bill. BMW SUVs that finally make sense. Historically, BMW SUVs were known more for driving dynamics than dependability. Early models struggled with air suspension failures and complicated electronics. That reputation has changed dramatically with newer B58-powered offerings. The X3 M40i essentially translates the M340i formula into SUV form. It delivers strong acceleration, responsive handling, and enough practicality for daily life, all while benefiting from the same proven drivetrain. For buyers needing more space, the X5 xDrive 40i offers luxury, comfort, and performance without the long-term ownership risks associated with high-output V8 variants. With around 335 horsepower, the engine feels relaxed rather than strained, making it ideal for long trips, towing, and mountain driving. In many ways, these SUVs outperform competitors in reliability while still feeling unmistakably BMW in character. Don't overlook the B48 four-cylinder. While the B58 gets most of the attention, BMW's B48 turbocharged four-cylinder deserves equal recognition. Producing roughly 248 to 255 horsepower, it powers models like the 330i, 430i, and smaller coupes with impressive efficiency and responsiveness. In lighter vehicles, the engine feels energetic and agile, delivering more performance than numbers suggest. Just as importantly, the B48 shares the same reliability improvements as its six-cylinder sibling. Timing chain issues from older four-cylinder BMWs are gone, maintenance costs are lower, and real-world ownership reports remain positive. For buyers who prioritize efficiency, affordability, and reduced complexity, the B48 is one of the smartest choices in BMW's lineup. Other smart picks worth mentioning. Several modern vehicles stand out for blending BMW's signature driving feel with ownership costs that actually make sense, including the BMW M240i, a compact coupe powered by the B58 that delivers serious performance in a lighter, simpler package. The BMW 540i, which pairs executive-level comfort with the smooth, dependable nature of BMW's inline-six. And even the Toyota GR Supra, which may wear a Toyota badge but shares BMW engineering and combines sports car excitement with Toyota's reputation for reliability, together proving that drivetrain choice matters far more than chasing the most aggressive badge. That said, the reality of BMW ownership still demands responsibility, as even the most reliable models benefit from preventative maintenance like more frequent oil changes than factory intervals suggest, along with proper attention to cooling systems, spark plugs, filters, and fluids. But unlike older generations, today's B48 and B58 powered BMWs reward good care instead of punishing it, making high mileage far less intimidating and allowing depreciation to work in the buyer's favor, especially with well-kept mid-2010s models that now offer modern refinement, strong performance, and proven reliability at surprisingly accessible prices. The reality of BMW ownership. Even the most reliable BMW still requires care. Preventative maintenance remains essential. Oil should be changed more frequently than extended factory intervals suggest. Cooling systems, spark plugs, filters, and fluids deserve attention. The difference today is that modern BMW engines reward responsible ownership instead of punishing it. High mileage is no longer a red flag with B48 and B58 powered cars. Depreciation works in the buyer's favor. Models from the mid-2010s are now accessible at reasonable prices while offering modern refinement and proven reliability. Choose wisely, drive happily. BMW hasn't lost its soul, it refined it. The brand's mistakes in the early turbo era forced real engineering change. The result is a generation of cars that finally balance performance with dependability. Buyers who understand which engines to seek and which to avoid can enjoy everything BMW promises without constant stress. Stick with the B48 and B58. Look for trims ending in 30i, 40i, and M40i. Avoid early turbo experiments unless you're prepared for the consequences. Do that, and BMW ownership becomes what it always should have been: rewarding, exciting, and confidence-inspiring. That's the ultimate driving machine, done right. If this breakdown helped you see which BMWs are actually worth owning and which ones to avoid, you're in the right place. We break down cars, engines, and ownership decisions the smart way, without the hype. If you want to be smarter about what you drive and what you buy, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.